Hello? Hello? Connected doon yung game natin ngayon. Bigla na lumalabas sa screen. But in a creepy way, okay? This is a unique horror game where you are a computer engineer, pare. Paldo. Computer engineer tayo dito sa game na to. And then, yeah, meron tao dito lumalabas na lang bigla sa screen. Hindi siya sa dako. Kasi sa computer siya lumalabas eh. I like the story. I like the dialogues, mga ngayon. Kasi, yeah, rate niyo yung pag-voice over ko kasi. You know, kaya ako nag-voice over sa mga games katulad ng mga ganito is para lang malaman nyo. Okay, para lang ma-separate ko ba yung boses or yung character nung mismong binabasa ko. Yun lang, gusto ko lang maganon. Kaya rate my voice over kung papanoorin. The game name is They See You. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, syempre. Tap mo na rin yung notification bell. They See You. Okay, let's go.
May Zumba.
Why are these computers always updating?
Follow na sa mga di pa nakakapag-follow.
Ganda pala ng graphics ito. Kala ko ano lang. So ano meron dito? Sige lang nat. Who's this? Hi sir. I need my clipboard. Clipboard? Di ba ito clipboard? What do you mean by clipboard? Ito, clipboard. Out late today, Mr. Zhang? Yup, my body's just not the same as it used to be. Crops aren't looking good either, thanks to that Yinshu company burying all those cables in the ground. I heard they already finished over the Chengxi village too. Unbelievable. Right? Us simple folk can only sit by and watch. Well, I won't keep you out too late then. Check license plate. Taga-check lang tayo ng ano. Here's the license plate. Get signature. Sir. Parang ang pogi mo, yeah. Anong gupit yan? Move roadblock. Okay. Bye-bye! Pare tayong security guard or guard sa isang Pilipino yung mukha. Ano ata itong game? Asian game to. Alam niyo naman pag Asian game, maganda agad eh. Ano gagawin natin ngayon? Hindi pare tayong kasi ito papunta na ulit to. Para tayong taga-check ng mga papasok dito sa sa mismong kung ano yan. Bakit ka nakamask? Hello sir, haven't seen you around before. Good evening, officer. I'm delivering generators for installation. What? This is the first and only delivery this week. Are you sure what exactly are the units first, or it's probably my coworkers mixed up during the early shift. If anyone else claims to be from installation services, please contact my management. Alright, let me record your license and you can be on your way. Signature. Okay na. Move roadblock. There you go. So, ganto lang tayo. Mukhang magandang trabaho to. Officer Ma was on the early shift today. Ay, okay na. That man never takes his job seriously. What's this? It's the strange video again.
May exam ako bukas, huwag na mag-review.
Wag. We're starting? Feeling ko may virus yung PC natin. Oh, may nakamotor. Okay. Who's this? Sinto. Uy. Dyan. Parang bubugbugin mo ako Hey yo, what's up, Officer Lee? You were in charge of the early shift today, right? Yup. Couldn't wait to clock out and eat some food. Did you log in what? I don't know, maybe. Hey, do you have any snacks? Puti ka, ba't napipindot ko agad? You didn't record the license. Oops. Also, a generator delivery just arrived. So? Are you sure you logged on the correct one? Man, how am I supposed to know? Abot ka? He said he was installation services, so I just let him in. Was he in uniform? Si Babalo? Babalo? Now, he wore all black. Drove a black car too. You know how important this project is for the town? Everything needs to be logged thoroughly. Okay, fine. I'll be more careful next time, alright? I'm going to have to report this. Please, this is the last time. I
Wala na si
promise.
Babalo na yan.
I can't get chewed out by the boss again, please. Good night. Officer Ma, I'll think about it. Feeling ko dito magsi-switch ng yung path ng mismong story. Yeah, think about it. Thank you so much, man. You're a lifesaver, haha. Yun na yun? Naalis ka na lang? Sa bagay, early shift nga pala siya. Oh, daan na. Di bagay sa kanya yung motor niya, pre. Napakalaking tao niya. That guy is unbelievable. The delivery at noon, something's definitely not right. Di bagay sa kanya yung motor niya, pre. Quiet please. It won't turn on. May naglalakad. Boy, putik ka! Interrogate natin si kuya. Sir, are you okay? My head has been injured.
Si
What
Ken
happened?
yung magnet.
I can't remember. Is there anyone else with you? No, I am alone. My vision is blurry. Come in and take a seat.
Carry
Rest
na
for a
yan
bit.
para siya lang ma-stress.
But parang suspicious. Hindi ka man lang umupo sa kama! Would you like some water?
Voice over, ikaw pa lang
Thank you. Allow me to sit. I will not drink. Do you have any cuts? You don't seem to be bleeding. You're not from this town, are you? To WN? Oh, what are you wearing? What, my uniform? I'm an officer. Yeah, I think siya nga.
Problema niya, wala siyang
Siya yung lumabas sa computer kanina. Officer. Sir, are you alright? Is there anyone I can call? No, I'm alone. You don't seem too well. We need to get you to a doctor. Sir? The box on the table. What is it? The computer? What do you mean? The box on the table? Sir, we should really get you looked at. Are you sure there's no one you can call? No, The wind. Can you close the door? Oh, you are suspicious, huh? You want to rest a bit longer? Yes, it is cold, so allow me to sit.
Gagawin ko kayong musubi.
Why would I close the door with someone stranger? This is with a stranger, pre, diba? Oh my! Oh my! Oh! What the? Ano yan? Oh my! Hey, yo, that's creepy, ah! Ano yun? Humaba yung leeg,
Barbie,
humaba yung
kung
kamay,
eh.
nablo ang mala. What happened?
Okay, I don't like this. Sabi na siya nasa computer.
Yinchi Tech, Shenyi Product Development. Visiting grandparents, young man? No.
Lagi ng mga bata yan pag
No,
lamang
I'm here for work. Work? You don't seem like a manual laborer. No, I'm a computer engineer. Wow. An engineer heading to the countryside for work? How old are you? I'm 24. What I wouldn't give to be that age again. Okay. Nowadays, all the young people leave the village for big cities. I've never seen a graduate like you return to the village for work. I'm working on a modernization project. Improving the rural countryside? Yeah, that's the one. You're helping me. You're helping improve the lives of rural folk. Okay? You're a great young man. Thank you. Okay? Salamat. Di ba ito yung kalbo kanina? Di ba siya yun? Ay, wala na yung security. Strange, there was tall security 2 weeks ago. Did something happen? I'm not sure. May nangyari nga sa may nangyari nga sa security guard. Ay, ang creepy ang mga. What if hindi tao yung kalbo na yun, pre? Bakit kaya they see you ba yun nakalagay sa They see you yung nakalagay sa eh.
Tatawa ko sa side view flat, hahaha.
Kaya nga eh. Literal na lang eh.
Ibang tao
Here we
sa
are.
baliig.
Thanks for the side, sir. Thanks for the ride, sir. Please keep the change. Much appreciated, young man. Good luck out there. Left end corner with the doors. Okay. Ay, ito ata. Should be this. Ayun. Wow. Looks better than expected. Wow. Head to the office. I'm late. I should head to the office quickly. Wait, nasan yung daan? Grabe, may gantong no? Nakakaligaw naman to. Ito. Okay. May daan papunta na mismo sa office. Ito ba yung office? Hindi. Hi, ma'am. Hi, may I help you? Hi, may I help you? Hello, I'm Shenyi. I'm here for initial report. Shenyi, you're the one. You're the new transfer. Yep. Sorry for arriving late. A lot of taxis didn't want to drive this far.
Kala ko sa game yun.
No problem. Yuntong town is quite deep in the mountains. Okay, sige. Let me call the supervisor for you. Mr. Zo ba yan? That new transfer is here. Hi, sir. I'm Mr. Zo. We spoke briefly on the phone a few weeks ago. Zo? Hello, sir. Thank you for accepting my transfer request. No need to thank me. Frankly, I was quite surprised to see your request. These village positions aren't exactly popular. Oh, well, Anyways, let me show you around the office.
Joe kasi.
I see you've met Miss Shin here. Ciao ba? Ciao. Okay, sige. Looking forward to work with you. Thank you. She's our accountant, but we're short staff at the moment. So she's doubling as our receptionist. Okay. Mr. Chow. This is Mr. Peng, our software specialist. Don't tell me iba akong boses, pre. Nice to meet you. Sabi ko na mag-iba na naman eh. He's a true prodigy. Great to have you on board.
Gusto ko tuloy chow fan.
Thank you.
HHHA.
And over here, our other young man. Hey, what's up? Call me Xiao Yu. Xiao Yu is the closest to your age here. He's in charge of logistics. You'll shadow him tomorrow. Glad you're here, bro. Too many old-timers around. Okay. Let me show you to your desk. Okay. Ayos ba yung pre? This will be your workspace for the time being. Oh, it's kinda dark. What should I do na? Sit na? Ang title niyan? They see you. What should I do? Should I talk with them? No? Wait, susundin ko pala siya. Susundin ko ba siya? Sir Chow? Sir Chow! Ay, ito pala si Sir Chow! Sorry! This is the construction lab. Faulty computers are stored here. As I assume you got the briefing before the transfer. Ay, napindot ko. Good, you'll be fixing a lot of computers. What happened to these ones? They caught some strange virus.
Joe Guan Yu.
Several computers that were provided to local businesses were affected. Di ba yun yung virus sa sa security guard kanina? Mr. Peng can fill you in on the details. Okay. Susundin ko pala siya. As you may have noticed, we have got a few empty rooms. The local government is planning to expand the project and hire more people. But it's a lengthy process, so we're stuck with a small team for now. Kabalik na ba tayo? Mr. Xiao? Well, that's the entire office. We still have some time, so Mr. Peng can explain the details to you. Well, we'll have a welcome dinner later tonight. Then it's settled. Napindot ko na naman. Damn, sipag ni Sir Mr. Chow. Hello, Miss Shin? Oh, nawala siya. Ah, ito pala. Hey, Shenyi! Could you take a look at our printing computer? It's been infected with malware. I'll see what I can do. Boot up. Sa bagay, computer engineer kasi. Horror but late kasi yun nga. Do I have to drag the red square into the bottom frame? Drag what? How? Ah, wait, saan ko ilalagay to? I failed the puzzle. So what do you make of this? Some kind of puzzle? I've never seen anything like that. I like it. Me neither. I couldn't fix it. It's fine. Mr. Chow said the computers upstairs had the same issues. Ah, hindi pala talaga maano. Ilan game now? Last game ko na to, pare. They were sent to local businesses, but we had to recall them. Recently, we've been notified that the new replacements are arriving issues again. We'll be going on site for appointments tomorrow, so you should take it easy today. Ay, ito si Mr. Alright everyone, let's head out! Wala ba na akong ginawa? Nasasolve yun? May ba? Delete kasi i-drag daw yung boxes, pero pag dinidrag ko, may anong tawag doon? May nakaharang. Ay! Kalaw cutscene, putik. Mr. Cha, wait! Pataas yung white muna. Ah, yung black! Yung black yung yung space. Okay, sige. I get it. Let's all head in. Chow kasi. Wow, hello Miss Shin. Hello Mr. Chow. Hello, ano pangalan mo? So, Shenyi, what do you think of the town? It's a bit of a remote. It's definitely hidden in the mountains. Bakit nandito yung kalbo? I got lost on the drive here during your first day. This is one of the first rural towns undergoing modernization in the province. That's why this project is important. In 10 years, this small village will feel no different from big city. By the way, Shenyi had a look at the computer. How'd it go? Well, it's a mystery. If you ask me, I think this town is haunted. What? There he goes again. Xiaoyu. What? What? This is the only strange thing happening around here. What do you mean? You saw that woman on the right here, right? Woman on the... May babae ba kanina naglalakad? Talking with the police? That's Li Xiyan. About a week ago, her father took his... Oh, what? That's speculation. It's unconfirmed. They're still searching. Nahihirapan ako magpalit-palit ng boses po, Tiyanggala. Apparently, he had shifts at the toll booth on the edge of town. Interesting. Speaking of interesting, Shenyi, I'm curious, why did you apply for a transfer here? Weren't you in the city center at Inchi Tech Department? Shenyi's performance was quite impressive, I'd heard. Wait, Inchi Tech? Wasn't that the division with that scandal? We should dig in before the food gets cold. Tama naman. Kumain ka na kasi kayo, men. Tapos si Lola, yeah. Alright, folks. I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Okay. Get some rest, Shenyi. Tomorrow will be a workout. Good night, sir. Natitripan ko na magmakaglaro ng mga ganito ha. Gusto ko talaga may nagsasalita eh. Wait, dito ba tayo galing kanina? Nakakaligaw naman to, man. Ay, uy, putik ka! You scared me. Sorry. It's fine. Take a flyer. You're Li Xiyan? Yes, who are you? I'm Shen Yi, a new transfer at the infrastructure division. I see you're with Mr. Xiao? Yes, I'm responsible for fixing the computers. Ah, sorry about your father. Please keep a lookout for him. I will. I could help put up more flyers if you want. Thank you. Actually, I was wondering, you said you were in charge of computers? Yes, I fixed the faulty ones. My father sent me some video recordings before. He vanished. Oh. Yun nga, yun si ano nga pare. Security guy nga, security. They're really strange. Could you take a look at them and tell me what you think? No problem. Here's my business card. Thank you so much. I'll see what I can find. I'm exhausted. I should wash up and head to bed. Ay, wash up at sink pala. Akala ko maliligo tayo. Bakit sa sink? Nakikinig lang sila, men. Yung mga nanonood yan, nakikinig yan. Bold siguro, Almo, for sure. Feeling ko, ano yan. Kala ko kasi maliligo eh. Uy, what's this? Nightmare ba to?
Puro silent viewers muya.
Pwede ka na mag-voice actor. Hindi. Ganito lang naman ako kasi gusto ko maramdaman yung ano nung mismong nagsasalita din. Wait, anong gagawin na? Oh, wait, someone's here. Hindi ba iting kalbo? Which imbecile wrote this week's report? Don't make me check the records! Step out now! Oh no. Baka si Lizzie yan to. Ito ata yung anak ng nawawalang ano. Sir, these were the numbers given by the liaison? What? Are you talking back to me? Damn. Oh shit. Look, what? Look down? Oh my god. Oh no. Uy, puti ka! Ako di sinuntok, putya. Look down nga pala. Sabi ko na eh, parang ano yun eh. Nightmare. That nightmare again. Chismoso ka kasi. Hindi naman tayo naliligo, no? Hindi ka mo maliligo. Head to office. Wala man lang bis-bis. Sara mo na nga yung pinto. Kailangan ko natandaan kung saan tayo na ano. Dito na, diretso tayo dito. Shenyi hindi naliligo. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Shin. Di ba ako mag-good morning sa kanya? Ito. Hey man, we're on site today. Should we head out now? Take a look at the daily check first.
Mouse yung good morning mo.
It's the reports app on your desktop. It'll show you who requested our services. After the appointment, make sure you to submit the report details. Check out the request for today. Then we'll head out. Okay. Mickey Mouse? Ang hirap kaya mag-boses ng babae. Kaya nililitan ko ng konti. Wait, asan na yung reports? 2001, 2002. Mr. Ma? Ready to go? Who are we going to first? Officer Ma? Mr. Zhang. Wait, sino uunahin natin? Si Mr. Zhang or si Mr. Ma? Parang mas okay pa si Mr. Ma. Siguro mamaya. Let's go to Mr. Ma. Officer Ma. Sounds good! Wait, ito yung officer kanina! Officer Ma! Ano ba boses ko dito kanina? Hey yo, I was wondering when you were coming. Ibayin na lang natin. This is our new recruit, Shen Yi. He's a genius. Shen Yi, huh?
Si Babalo.
Well, I need a genius right now.
Mag-greet na ako ng ganyan.
This computer died yesterday out of the blue. But it made buzzing sounds sometimes. I was just about to start on my case report too. I'll take a look at the computer. Okay, but all my reports are on this. I have full faith in him.
Parang oblong ang mukha.
Pa-check nga ako dyan, ya. Ako bahala sa'yo. Magaling ako dyan eh. At least sinabi ni Jap na may gagawin tayo kanina. Oh no, matatagalan tayo dito, guys. Guys, parang matatagalan tayo dito, guys ah. Ayun. There you go. Compiling. Run antivirus. Checking for viruses. No viruses detected. Device is up to date. Man, you're really a genius. I told you. None of my files are corrupted, right? Wait, what? That's good news. Did you visit any strange websites? What kind of strange website is that, huh? What do you mean by strange websites? Never mind. If anything else happens, be sure to let us know. O, tara na, pre. Of course, I'm quite the responsible guy, you know. I used to cover for Officer Lee all the time too. Alright, let's Let's head out then. Parang nagmamadali ka, Xiao Yu ah. Xiao Yu. Hello, Mr. Zhang. We're here for your appointment. Ah, thank you for coming all this way. Dilitan ko ba boses nito, pre? No problem. This is my new co-worker, Shen Yi. Nice to meet you, young man. Nice to meet you, sir. Let me show you the computer. Ito talaga si Xiao Yu, walang kwenta eh. Nanonood lang eh. A++ for effort. Oy, bakit naka-black screen? Bakit may takip? I keep hearing voices coming from this. Voices? It sounded like a man mumbling. I'm not going senile, I swear. Did anyone else hear it? No, it only happens at night sometimes. All these strange things going on recently. What else happened? My wife was sick in bed. In the afternoon, she says someone tried to enter the home. They ran away after she yelled out.
Boses yan, ha ha ha.
Officer Ma said they were probably trying to steal the computer. Whoa, scary stuff. Indeed. I'll see what I can do, Mr. Zhang. Anis. Wala na akong maisip na boses, pre. Wala na akong maisip na boses eh. Oh, another puzzle.
Tama na
Hindi ko
yan.
nakikita.
Mo na lang, no?
Tama na. Okay na pala. Okay na. Run antivirus.
Hit naman eh.
Hindi ko napansin, guys. Sorry. Okay na, sir.
Okay ka pa.
Hindi ka nabigo, sir. Is it fixed? Yes, the computer is fully functional now. Did you find out what caused the voices? It's hard to say. Oh. Maybe a video was left open in the background. I haven't watched any videos though.
Tama nga si Lin.
Monitor the computer for now. Okay, thank you lang, young man. Don't worry, Mr. Zhang. If anything strange happens again, just call us. Call me, bro! Wala kang silbi! Alright, let's head out then.
Zay.
Man, what a long day. Don't forget to submit the reports before you clock out. Got it. Thanks for showing me the ropes today. Don't sweat it. By the way, about last night's dinner. Just wanted to apologize for bringing up the scandal. I don't really think before I talk. Don't worry about it. I'm sure everyone knows anyway. You were a part of that department, right? Just curious, you don't have to answer if you don't want to. Yeah, I wasn't close with the coworker though. Oh, it was a large team, so I didn't know her. That's crazy. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow, man. See you. See you, Idol. Thanks. Wait, documents ba? Fix. Result fix. Hardware.
Dito kanina.
Submitted. Kay Mr. Ma, hardware din, di ba? Same lang ba sila halos? Software siya kasi na-virusan eh. Dapat check pala, dalawa yan. No? Oo, na-virusan nga lang siya. Black lang kanina yung compute, yung ano niya eh. So, software ata. Head back home. Natitripan ko yung game ngayon ah. Maganda yung game. Kung more into story kayo guys, maganda yung laro. I should check if Sian emailed the video to me yesterday. Feeling ko ano yun, about sa hacking yung ano no? About sa hacking yung mismong tawag doon, yung kalaban dito. Lee Sian. Thank you again for helping me. This is the only video I have. Ito nga yung pumatay din sa tatay niyo. What is this? Ito yung lumabas eh, bago mamatay yung security guard. Maybe it'll make more sense in the morning. Sa kalbo yun, yung nagiging ano yung kalbo pre, nagiging... siguro yung kung pag ano, hinahack niya ata yung mga ano, yung mga computer. Tapos siguro, may gagawin ata siyang ano eh, papapatay niya yung may-ari ng computer, ganun. Parang hindi tao to eh. Parang siyang entity eh. Oh! Ito yung pinagalitan kanina.
Ikaw ulit bunot.
Shinyu?
Wala eh.
Sorry for disturbing you so late. How do you even know where I live? Zifei told me. Zifei? Oh. I'm leaving the company. I know we're not close, but I really needed to ask you for a favor. Oh, I went to the police. What did they say? If I had recordings and witness testimonies, my case would be a lot stronger. I don't want to go back to the office again. I asked everyone if they could provide statements. That's great! No one agreed. Kawawa naman tong na nung boss. Oh, I'm a new hire with no background or connections. I'm asking a lot, but you're my last hope for a statement, please. To be honest, my situation's not great either. Oh, I know, but ano ba yan? Napipindot ko. I'm sorry, Shinyu. I hope everything works out for you. Kawawa naman to. Galing mo daw mag-voice over kaya kala copyright. Yung pala yung sinasabing scandal sa ano natin, sa company sa lumang company. Oh, iba yung tao ah. Good morning, Shenyi. Good morning, sir. Why are you at the front desk? Mr. Peng and Miss Shin didn't show up today. I think they might have gotten sick. Are you sure? I stopped by with some hot soup. No one answered. Is Xiaoyu sick too? No. Xiaoyu's here today. However, he's covering for Miss Shin's accounting work. You'll have to go to the appointments alone. Will you be alright? Yes, Xiaoyu showed me the process yesterday. Great, well, good luck then. Thank you, sir. Salamat. Pizza ba tayo dito ba? Hey man, got my work cut out for me today. Don't forget to check the appointments before you head out. Mr. Liu, and Mr. Shi. Shi ba to? This requestor, he owns a corner shop in town. A restaurant, hindi. Ano ba yung restaurant? Ito. You must be the newcomers everyone's talking about. Yes, my name is Shin. Iba? You look very young. You know, I have a daughter around your age. So about your appointment? Yes, of course. I keep all my inventory records on the computer. But recently it's been restarting over and over again. I hope I don't lose them. I'll take a look, sir. Padaan ako. Abala sa'yo, sir. Oy. Ganun din eh. Wait lang. I couldn't solve it. What happened? I don't think I'll be able to fix this. Well, I guess I'll have to redo my inventory. Sorry about that, sir. Don't worry about it, young man. We'll be back with a new computer next week. Oh, okay. Have a good evening, sir. Hindi ko basta na-check ng buo yung daan. Ito yung kalbo kanina. So, anong boses dito, pre? Anong boses nito? Wait lang. Hello, sir. I'm here for the appointment. About time. Computer's right over there. What issues were you having it? Been making strange sounds, flashing screens too. Can you fix it or not? I can try. If you ask me, this tech stuff ain't reliable. I like doing things the old-fashioned way. Was thinking of just tossing this thing in the trash. My wife loves looking at screensavers though. I'll do my best to fix it. Thank you, sir. I got you, sir. Ito na ulit. Mahirap ata ito, pre. Ayan. Na basic. Ayaw tumingin sa comment. Hindi, nagpo-focus kasi ako, pre. Antivirus. Baka matapos tayo isang work, pre. No virus is detected. Okay na, sir. Alright, sir. Oh, you got some skill, kid. So, why was it making all those sounds and flashes? It got infected with the virus. You mean like an evil spirit got into this thing? Well, no, it's just a malicious software. What? Anyways, kid, feel free to stop by anytime for lunch. Will do, Mr. Liu. Thank you, Mr. Liu. I'm going home, Mr. Liu. Balik tayo sa office, pero tapos na yung trabaho eh. But parang... Uy, gagi ka! Oh my... I need help. My friend has fallen into the trees. Ikaw na naman, kalbo. Ikaw yung pumatay sa security guard kanina. Your friend? Yes, please, follow me. He will need help. Wait here, I'll be back with the police. Please! Weird. Weird as hell.
Hello, bro.
Well, it isn't the computer genius! Someone's in trouble. What? Who? Someone fell into the trees. Into the trees? Yes, on the mountain path. Fine, I guess I'll take a look then. Dapat boses babalot eh. Man, I was just about to get the late snack too. Alright, let's go then. Di mo isasay si motor mo, ya? Magmamotor ka pa ba? Ah, hindi na. Wala na yung kalbo, nakatakas na. Oh, sinasabi ko sa'yo, napakabagal mo eh. Oh, ano ka ngayon? Eh di parang niloloko lang kita dyan. Ay, wait. Wala nga. Ah, no one's even here. You messing with me? I swear, there was a man. Damn this. This was a good chance for a promotion too. Look, kid. I'll take a look around just in case, alright? Just head on back. Talaga yung kalbong yun. Ah, go back home na. Hindi ako napunta ng office. Nandito na siguro yung kalbo na yun, pre, sa bahay natin. Nakakaramdam ako, man. Wala pa? Ay, bukas na yung computer. Ibig sabihin, na-hack na nga din yung computer natin. Suiso? Yinshi Techcom employee found in critical condition outside company HQ. A former employee, 23, surname Yao, fell from the 5th floor of the Yinshi Tech office building, sustaining critical life-threatening injuries despite landing into nearby trees. The individual had... need water. Clear my head. Kitchen. Uy, puti ka! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Ano yan? What? Was that a nightmare? Nightmare nga ba yun? Oh, hindi. Parang hindi nightmare yun. Tol, nandito ata siya mismo sa ilalim ng kama natin. Ay, di ba kanina wala na yun, no? Di ba, sino ba yung, tatlo yung coworker natin, yung dalawa na wala na. Si boss na lang tsaka yung isa. Baka pagbalik natin doon, wala na rin yung isa. Tsaka, si boss. Feeling ko may ginagawa yung kalbong yun dun sa mga yan. Suspicious kayo, ha? Oo, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo wala na si boss eh. Kagi, wala ng tao. Hala. Wala ng tao. Wala ni Boss? Oh my goodness. Ito yung kay boss, oh. Uy, puti ka, boss! Shani, are you alright? You're a bit jumpy today. Sorry, sir. I didn't get much sleep last night. What? You need adequate rest or you'll get sick too. Speaking of which, Xiaoyu seems to be out today. Oh, I noticed you forgot to submit your reports yesterday. Sorry about that, sir. I ran into a strange man and forgot. Strange man? He said his friend fell into the mountains. Tourists from another province? I've never heard of tourists coming here though. Anyways, please submit the reports today. You have a new appointment request too. Mrs. Deng, she lives down the mountain path. Let me know if you run into any problems. Will do, sir. Submit yesterday's reports. Tapos naman lahat yun, inaayos lahat ng computer. Kagi, naubos na yung coworkers natin. She lives down the mountain path on the left. Why is it open? Angela Tizard, what's this? Oh my. Mrs. Deng? No, something's wrong. Inform Mr. Xiao. Mr. Xiao! Where is he? May narinig ako nagbabas. Feeling ko wala na siya. Mr. Xiao? Anong ginawa ko kay Mr. Xiao? Uy, what? Uy, what? Ba't lumiit siya? Oh! Oh my! No!
Sa dockyard.
Oh my gosh! Yo! The windows and the doors are gone! Oh no! Dito, dali! Climb into the computer screen? I'm inside the computer? Ito yung puzzle kanino. Mr. Chow! He's trapped! But parang may disk. Floppy disk looks inactive. I can remove it. Okay, I need to find a way then. Shen Yi? Li Xiyan? What's happening? Where are you? You can hear me? Barely. You sound like static. You need to get to the police. What? What are you talking about? Where are you? Just call the Yinshi police. Tell them people might be dead. Dead? Get the police, bro! May kailangan ko hanapin. What's this? What's this purple? Don't tell me kailangan ko tapos yung puzzle. Should I save the others or just escape through the red screens? Tumakas na ako?
Di ka daw nag-aya lim food trip.
Food trip? Nagayos lang kami ng motor. Sir! Wait, umalis ako agad. Hindi ko naligtas sila. Hindi ko sila naligtas. No, hindi ko sila naligtas, men. Yung tatlo. Nasaan na sila? You're awake. How are you feeling? A lot better. We were quite worried. Your heart rate was abnormally high. The paramedics said you lost consciousness on the spot. We thought you were gone into cardiac arrest. I've never seen anything like it. You can take a seat in the lobby. The doctor will be out shortly. What if yung doctor yung kalbo din ang humahabol sa atin na sumusuot sa computer? Mali yung dapat niligtas ko yung tatlo. Napindot ko yung red screen. Oh! Oh, whoa, what's happening? Oh no. Kagi baka sumuot din yung kalbo dito. Escape but not everything went right? Wait. Nadali na rin ako. Ito siya oh. Nahuli din tayo. Ba't nakaganyan siya? Sir? Hindi siya gumagalaw. Sir? So yung ending na nakuha natin, hindi nahuli din ako, ganun. Kunin ko na nga ito agad, boss!
Ka naman mahirapan hahaka.
Hindi, kapag nahuhuli ako, bumabalik lang, hindi ako umuulit ng todo.
May incentive ka lang sana si boss.
Pag ako, hindi ako nabigyan ng promotion dito. Ito dito sa red. Sa red na tayo agad para mabilis. Yan niya ito si boss. Nagpahuli. Sa blue naman, sa blue. Police done. Ano yung last? Green tsaka yellow. Doon dadaan? So, kailangan ko munang bumalik. Teka. Try natin. Okay, nakuha ko na lahat. Ayun, go to Central Processing Unit. So, ito yung tamang ending. Sugal. Tumawag na ba ng pulis yun? Ayun! Boss, nandiyan ka ba, boss? Pag si boss wala dito sa kama niya. Boss, lumabas ka. Pag si boss wala dito, ewan ko na lang.
Tapos mo na rin.
Kaya nga 2 hours din ako sa game nito. Okay, what's this? You're okay. I was afraid you weren't going to wake up.
Wow,
What
nataas
happened?
siya.
I was inside the police car when you came running toward us. You passed out on the spot. How's your father holding up? The doctor said his body temperature was unusually low. They said it's like he was in hibernation. I can't thank you enough for finding him. We've been searching for weeks. I was starting to lose hope. They said he was found unconscious in the toll booth. What happened to you exactly?
Voice
I
actor
don't know.
kinakabahan.
I can't really explain it. Alright. The nurse said you should head to the lobby once you're awake. Apparently the city's special task unit is here too. Okay, I'll head over there. Hey boss! Shenyi, I can't seem to remember anything after I blacked out. I'm just glad to see you're okay. What happened? It's hard to explain. Maybe I should lie down again? Don't like overexert yourself, sir. Promotion ko nasan? We'll take the week off. Okay. Not bad. Ikaw. Bro, my head is throbbing like a bad hangover. Glad you're okay. You too, man. You were out for a long time. How long was I out for? Like a good 5 hours? What? I guess this means we have the week off? That's the first thing you think of? A guy can dream. A guy can dream. Okay, it's
Dami pala ibon sa
finally
dalawa.
awake. Yeah, these noodles are amazing. You want some? That's okay. That's okay. I'm not really hungry right now. Since we're all waiting for the doctor, we might as well eat. The doctor? Yep. I think he's busy talking to Mr. Zhang right now. I'm not going anywhere until I finish these noodles.
So, voice
Hey,
actor
computer
na-
genius! Which flavor is better? Spicy mala soup or hearty chicken broth? You're truly the genius of Huntong Village. You're awake, how are you feeling? A lot better. We were quite worried your heart rate was abnormally high. The paramedics said you lost consciousness on the spot. We thought you were going into cardiac arrest. I've never seen anything like it. Whenever you're ready, head to the doctor's office. Ay, wow! Head to the doctor's office ngayon.
Social butterfly.
He'd like to run a few tests to see how you're holding up. Hello, Mr. Shen. Glad to see you're doing okay. Have we met before? Formally, no. I'm Dr. Xu. A few months ago, I operated on an emergency patient. A young woman just barely alive.
Boses ni Doctor ay one of these
I recall she fell from a 5-story building. During operation, I was informed of a distraught young man outside. He was apparently in the lobby for over 6 hours. I assumed he was a family member or partner. But after the surgery, he took off. Yet, he paid for all the hospital and surgery fees. I pulled up the payment record, Shenyi, a Yinshi Tech employee. What? It's nice to finally meet you in person. Wait, what? Tayo yung tumakas sa ospital? I'm happy to inform you that okay, si Shinyu. Siya yung nabully ng boss. Siya pala yun. Siya pala yung nabully. Yung scandal, siya yung victim sa scandal na nangyari doon sa company na pinagtatrabahoan natin na luma. Okay, gets. What? She'll have a lingering spinal issues but she's alive. I don't know what to say.
Ewan ko sa'yo, Tay.
If you hadn't made the point of
Naguluhan
the
ako
phone
dun.
call, she likely wouldn't have made it. I just thought you'd like to know. Thank you, Dr. Zhu. Sorry for the interruption, but ano naman yon? Alright, this is Shinji Special Task Unit Investigator, Mr. Jin. If you're feeling well enough,
Hahasim daw
he'd
pala
like to
this.
ask you a few questions. Just
Tama
take it
naman
slow
kita
if you need to.
socialize.
Bro, pagod na ako. Ang daming sinasabi. The entire electrical grid The entire electrical grid in the Yuntong Mountains was fried. Residents were found incapacitated in their homes, lower heart rates and body
Basahin mo na lang
temperatures.
arte-arte.
Mr. Lee said that you appeared on her computer, saying that people were dying. I was chased by a man. Just one man? No one else? Just one man, I think.
Mukha siyang kaboses ni Denver.
We suspect this may be related to the disappearance in the nearby Shenxi village 2 years ago. 2 years ago? Please start from the beginning. Don't leave out any details. It started when I applied for a transfer at the Yuntong division. Reach the true ending. Okay! Ito yung true ending, yung maliligtas natin sila lahat. What's this gift? Pupuntahan natin yung babae si Shinyu. Finally man, natapos din. 8005. Shinyu? Wow.
Daming ibas nun.
Kala ko may magsasabihin pa eh. Grabe, ang daming character na binoses ko doon, man. Ilan yung lumabas doon? Napagod ako doon, man.